Alright, today we're gonna be playing some Teardown. I thought this would be a good choice because this game is amazing. So, yeah. Why am my own character? Why am this? Cool. Alright, so we're gonna play some Teardown. I thought this would be kind of a cool game. Sorry, I'm not posting a lot, but I should be posting a lot more now. So let's do this. Sandbox. I had mods. I'm just gonna choose a random map. I don't really know. Choose a random map. Choose a random map. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Got a nice house. Yeah, we got a dump truck. Deliveries. I raise it up. Oh Jesus! I am so sorry. I'm sorry. I'll have that paid for. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh my god, I'm so sorry I hit your truck. Oh my god, I'm so sorry about that. I do kinda need some groceries, hold up. My bad. Sorry. I kinda do need some groceries, I won't lie. Thank you. Hey, what do I need? Ooh, I could use a little bit of this. Shoot. My bad. Let's see. What do we have here? Cable. A welding tool. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. I already got what I wanted. See you later. Yo. Shoot. Let's go. Screw your pole. Yeah. New house. This house too. You think you're out of? Oh, I'm stuck. Come on. I can't say. I do go first person. Yes. Come on. Oh, shut the freaking ceiling. Are we stuck? No. Yeah. Looks pretty good. This house is not in use anymore, so I have to take it down. That's not my issue. Hold on. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, it's not my issue. I'm sorry. It's just not my issue. Um, it's not my fault that you aren't paying your bills, and I gotta take the house down. All these houses, like, you're not paying your bills. No, what? Hold on, I might actually take this. Alright. Maybe kill. Oh, shoot. See you later, losers. Shoot. Oops. Ready? Oh! Not bad. My car. I want cars are this durable in real life. Dang. Boom! Yeah, I kind of want to drive this cement truck. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I can actually turn the bed. That's kind of cool. Here, let's go to. Let's look at my modded maps. Featured mods. No. Cool. Mod manager. I got the Boeing 737 full version. You already know we gotta do it. So you can do like being on the plane, or you can be like at the airport. So let's just do on the plane first. And then we'll do at the airport. I gotta take my seat. Ah, nice plane ride. Reporting, there's a bomb on the plane. What are you talking about? There ain't no bomb on the plane. Shut up. I'm sorry about there's no bomb on the plane. Oh. This. Oh. Yeah, there's no issues here. What the hell? Jesus! Oh, look, those are the wires. They're my gun. What the? Burn a hole? And ow, I'm freaking dying! I got a minigun. What the hell? Burn holes! Let it down! Okay. Oh, cool. What is meteor storm? Yeah, that's interesting. What does that meteor look like? Oh my. Want to come back? Yeah, that plane's done for. Oh nah. And now we gotta do the airport. How do I pick this? Oh, the arrow's so stupid. Grounded. Yes, sir. Also, Grounded 2 is going to be coming out. I will definitely be making a series or a video on that. I am hyped for that.
Flight N100428 is departing in 4 minutes. Gate will soon be closed.
Oh shoot, that's my flight. I gotta go. That's my flight. What the frick is this in my way? That's my flight. You serious? And it's my flight. Oh, that's not my flight. Wrong flight. Oh, that's so cool. This is my flight. Oh, I need to go through the ceiling, my bad. Hold on, I need to go through the ceiling. Yes. What the? Okay. Oh, I need to go lower, my bad. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Or I will do something about it. Shit, my flight. Wait! Wait for me! Should have a flashlight. Okay. Wait! Wait for me! Sorry, I need in! Yeah. The cool thing is, you guys didn't even know I clicked it. That's the funny thing. You guys didn't even know if I clicked the button or not. It just randomly happened. Shoot, guys, let me in, let me in. I need to get on my flight. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Oh. Dude, what happened? What happened? You know, I have a theory. I have a theory. I have a theory. Better run. No! Oh! Yeah! What's going on in there? Ow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this place is destroyed. I'll go and take my seat. Where's the seat at? In the back? Gotcha. Like what? Explode? Hiya! 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 Die! Just die! Got it. I think I've had my little bit of fun. Yeah. I think I've had my fair share. But I've also had one of the other bigger ones, the bridge construction. Now this is one of my favorite maps. As you can see, now I found out when you use the hook shotgun, look what happens. Same thing with this. Like yanks the whole bridge. Look at that. Oh! Jesus. Yeah. Yeah, you guys see what I mean? So the hook shotgun is, put out of the question. Love, man, I gotta get to work, bruh. I gotta get to work. My semi-truck, I gotta deliver these packages. Oh, shoot! My bad, there goes the supplies. Yeah, can you guys give me the work van? I kinda need that to, get all the supplies back. Thank you. Oof. Wonder who did that. Idiot. What the? I can't control it. Go. We must fly. We must flee. Telekinesis. That's what it is. Interesting. What is airstrike? Lightning gun. Okay. That's interesting. Yo! Yeah. Dude, imagine they come out with multiplayer. I know they're doing that this summer. Drone attack. This is sick! Okay, I don't know why I shot myself down. Alright, I think I have one cool map that I actually really like. Where's it at? Where's it at? Glare. The frick is Glare? Okay. Mini, no. It's an unnamed city. Yo, this is taking a while to load. It's probably a bad idea. Uh-oh. If it's taking more than like 10 seconds to load, that's not good. Oh. Fair share of lag is something that you really like. Yeah. Don't think this is it, but you know, how could you not like a little bit of... Where's it at? Oh, it just got real bright. Where's it at? Oh, it's coming from the sun. Yo, that is bright. That lag is crazy. One too high. What's that sound? There it goes. Here it goes. Oh, that's gonna go right through. Oh my god. Bam! Okay, I cannot play this map. It's way too laggy. If you guys see what I mean. Holy, that is not the map I was talking about though. Alright, yeah, never mind. Okay, so what's the nearest like mini? When did I get this? I have no idea when I got this. Oh, old or new? What do you mean old? Both. No. What's old? What's new? Wait, what do you mean? Old and new? I swear to God, it better not be what I think it is. What? Oh. Oh, I see what you mean. I'm not gonna do it, guys. Do not worry. What the? What the frick? Hey. Look at me. Alright, Mr. Twin Towers. Let's see what else you guys can stand. Can you stand... Can I ability? Thank you. Can you guys stand lightning? That's what this thing looks like. Looks like a little lightning tower. Like this thing can like get struck by lightning and like it'll be fine. To me that's what it looks like. Hold on. That's obviously not what it's meant for. What about lasers? That works well. You know what? Screw you. What about... Ow. Oh, C is that I'm stuck. Oh, I'm pressing the cable, welding, fire extinguisher. Oh my god, yeah. Fire extinguisher. I must put out the fire. Put out the fire! Hurrah! That worked. I'm not just, don't worry guys, I'm not just, you think I'm being harsh on the Twin Towers? You think I'm being harsh in the Twin Towers? You think I'm being harsh? Yeah, no. I ain't being harsh. Oh! Yeah! I was going easy on the Twin Towers. Oh my god. It's still going. I'm about to blow up my freaking PC, dude. Yeah. You guys still think I'm being harsh? Yeah, I don't think so. This plant thinks he's so cool because he's still standing. You must think you're so cool. Okay, to be fair, I didn't think that would hit me. Is he still standing? Nope. Here she goes. Here she go. Oh! Like crash into the building. Hold on, I wanna like. What the? I'm like sliding. That's kind of cool. Where's that laser gun at? Where's the laser gun? There it is. I wanna like cut it in half. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that worked. That worked very well. And I think we end off the video with me absolutely blowing up my computer. Um, oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Are we good? No, we're not. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is not going well. Make your predictions now what you think the city's gonna look like when I load back in. Oh, frick are you guys still standing? And how are you guys fine? Frick is this? You shall fall. Even this little guy should fall. Also, where are these guys at? Yeah, you guys also shall fall. What is this? What the frick is this? All you shall fall. Every building shall fall. Oh my god, I'm gonna break my computer, dude. Everything shall fall. Everything. Not just little buildings and tall buildings. Everything shall fall. Cluster bomb. Just gonna destroy the base of it. You can freaking see me. Did it fall yet? Freaking care. I just need to get these buildings. Okay, it is lagging a lot. I need to. Let me try the new one. Where the frick is New York City at? Oh, here it is. Don't get mad at me. I wasn't targeting the Twin Towers. You can't get mad at me. It wasn't being offensive. Now, if I was just targeting the Twin Towers and I did something else, then that'd be offensive. But I wasn't being offensive. So, shh. What does it look like now? Oh, it's just like oh, it's that building now. Oh, it's kind of cool. So they replaced it. Oh, there's two like spots where they were, and they replaced it with this thing. Okay. Did I recognize that building right there? What the frick is this thing? Leaf blower? Below the tower. Alright, that sounds sus. Now I shall absolutely gun this thing down. Yeah. I should get like a nuke mod and just nuke everything. Knock it down. Oh, it actually fell. Okay. You shot ball. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna fall right on it. Oh! I want to test something. I want to test something. Wow. Fixed. What? I can also Spider-Man. Hi. Dude, that makes me mad now. I should have kept Spider-Man Miles Morales. It should have been a video series on that or something. Oh, I forgot about Town Square. That's what it's called, right? I almost forgot. That's better. That's a little better. Yeah. So let's see what happens if you hit it with 13 meteors. What does it look like now? You know? Not as bad as I thought. But, yeah. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. Sorry if this, that was just amazing. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun with this game. Let me know if you guys want more. I definitely want to start posting more and I want to find some more games to play. Very, very soon, I should get my Oculus hooked up, where I can start making VR videos, which is the whole point, and mostly what I want to do. So, yeah. Peace out. Like, subscribe.